If you just signed up to MailerLite and need a quick tour of the app, you're in luck. Let me show you the main features of the tool so you can start using it right away. This is the MailerLite dashboard. Here in the middle, we have the last sent campaign. Your performance overview can be set right here. Choose the timeline and it will show you the stats of your subscriber management and growth, your campaigns, automations, e-commerce, forms, and site performance. At the top right, we've got a shortcut button to create a campaign, form, site, or automation. Above it, you can access your profile or log out. And here at the top, you can toggle between accounts if you have more than one MailerLite account. On the left side, we have the main menu. The dashboard is where we're at right now, and you can always get back here by clicking this tab, Campaigns. This is where you can find all of your campaigns, your templates, and drafts. You can create a regular, RSS, auto-resend, or A/B test campaigns. You can take a look, edit, or duplicate your sent campaigns or drafts. Your Outbox folder is right here, and it shows the campaigns you've already sent. And you can view each individual campaign report right here. The subscriber tab will take you to your subscriber management page. You can use filters to search or create segments and groups. You can add or remove groups, move to the unsubscribe section, delete or download using the action button. Here you can modify and add custom fields, check out your growth under the stats tab, clean up your list by deleting inactive subscribers, and review your history. Lastly, here's where you add new subscribers. In the Forms page, you will be able to create forms for your website or landing page. This is where all the forms you've previously created are kept. You can filter and search right here, and here's where you can create new forms. In the Sites page, you will be able to create either a website with multiple pages for your business, organization, or project, or a landing page. In the Automation page, you can create a sequence of steps triggered by a specific date, event, or action activated by the subscriber. On this page, you can create, manage, and edit your automations. Your account settings can be accessed right here. You can review and edit the plan and billing, users, domains, subscriber settings, unsubscribe settings, email notifications, and your company's profile, default setting, domains, e-commerce, integrations, and link tracking. The integration page lets you connect your MailerLite account to popular apps and plugins of different platforms such as WooCommerce, Shopify, Facebook, WordPress, and more. Your file manager hosts all of the media files, images, and videos. You can upload everything from your device or import from a URL, Google Drive, Giphy, or Unsplash. Lastly, the My Template page hosts all of the templates you've used, created, and modified. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.